As Reuters reports, Bill Ford utilized the North American International Auto Show to declare the automaker will contribute $11 billion to dispatch 40 module half-and-half and electric vehicles by 2022. The organization declined to go into specifics yet affirmed 16 of the vehicles will have electric powertrains while the rest will be module crossovers. Bill Ford dropped a modest bunch of clues about which models will be charged as he said, "We're all in on this and we're taking our standard vehicles, our most notable vehicles, and we're zapping them." He went ahead to state in the event that we need to be fruitful with Jolt. We need to do it with vehicles that are as of now mainstream. That is somewhat ambiguous. However, the organization has officially affirmed anticipates crossbred adaptations of the Mustang, Transit, and F-150. The Mustang and F-150 half-and-halves are slated to touch base in 2020, and the organization has just uncovered the zapped powertrain will empower the last model to go about as a versatile generator. Reports have additionally recommended Ford will offer half-and-half forms of the Escape and Expedition while Lincoln will do likewise to the MKC and Navigator. Different reports have recommended the whole Lincoln lineup will be offered with a crossbreed powertrain, including the since quite a while ago reputed Aviator restoration, which will purportedly touch base 1 year from now.